Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 24. In this topic, we're going to be seeing how we can use the 3D warehouse to lively up this site. Basically, what we're going to do is to access the 3D warehouse, we're going to be clicking on Windows over here. And once you come on Windows, you'll see two warehouses. One will be a 3D warehouse and one will be an extension warehouse. While the extension warehouse lets you install plugins, the 3D warehouse will let you install and bring in different objects such as trees, cars, furniture, windows, doors, balconies, and all of that. You all can see how all of these are created. Now I'll show you how to use this, correct? All you have to do is type over here. Let's say I type tree and press enter. I will easily be able to enter into this tree area, and you can see the amount of trees that we have over here. We can easily select any one of these and place it in. So I'll just go ahead and download this over here, and it says load directly into Sketchup model, and we'll say yes, and you'll see automatically this entire tree would come here, and I can easily go ahead and place it over here. Now since this is really big, I can scale this down slightly. Let's say till here, and it's going to act exactly same like any other component would if you would create your own. But because we won't be creating trees, we can easily use the 3D warehouse to bring in trees as well as cars, furniture, and a lot more. To install and bring things in from the 3D warehouse, you will need to have an account with Trimble. Trimble's account can easily be created with your Google, with your Gmail ID as well. Now once I've placed this over here, I like to place them over here as well, and we can do sets of 2 as such. Quickly just make this an adjustment and move this behind. Of course, the entire landscaping completely depends on how you guys want to do it, but I'm just going to be using this one single tree just to show you that we can actually scale these down up to the height that we want and place this in particular spaces like this, and just copy it on the side over here. And of course, I can even use the array by pressing *5 enter and copying it 5 number of times. So once I'm done with the basic placement of all my trees, I will even go ahead and place some over here, just 2 over here and 2 over here. Similarly, I can select all 4 of these and move them from here over here. Now guys, once I'm done with this much, we can go ahead easily and bring in cars from the 3D warehouse. So I can just go up here and I can type car and press enter. And we can scroll down over here and kind of find this set of 3 cars and just download this into it. Now for all of y'all, if your 3D warehouse is not working, not to worry. We have provided you with the same tree, with these same cars, and all the furniture that we will be using, we will be providing them to you, so you guys can use that by downloading it from the files for working. Now if it's a little heavy, it might take some time, but the minute we have cars over here, I can enter into the group and I can delete the one that I don't want. We'll just be placing 2 cars. So let's say I delete this one off, and we have the blue and the gray. Now I can enter into this group and I can select this car, Control X, that would cut the car from here. Then I will exit the group and press Control V to place the car separately. Now we can move this car over here, and I can press Q to rotate it by pressing 180, so that would rotate it 180, and I can move this over here. Secondly, I can place this car, which is already parked in its parking, over here, and I can rotate this 90. And as you guys can see, this is how we have placed both these cars. Of course, we can select this car and scale it down slightly. Similarly, I can select this car and scale it down by pressing Ctrl. I will be scaling it uniformly. Now once I'm done with scaling both these cars, just make sure that we have placed them all on the base. So for that, like I've told you, in the shed as well, we will be selecting it from the base and pressing the up arrow key and making sure that we have placed it on the base over here. Make sure that this car is too on the base, and if it's not, you can easily select the base from here, up arrow key, and place it on the base. Now once we're done with this much, we will go ahead and place some basic outdoor furniture. So again, we'll enter the 3D warehouse, and over here I can easily type patio furniture. And we can just see the kind of furniture that we would like or which would go with our entire decor. Let's say this is good enough, so we can just download this into our file. Now once this is in, I will just go ahead and place this over here as such. It's a good setting. And now we're done with placing objects from the 3D warehouse. And you can see how we have these nice looks to our entire bungalow. Well guys, once you're done with this much, the last thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing how we can create scenes and export to AutoCAD. So for that, I'll see you guys in the next topic. Take care.